yun?
closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it a time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Every little smile, the special smile, the twinkle in your eyes and a little while. Give it a time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. Thank you po, Jessica!
Grabe naman. O, diyan ka na lang, ha?
Tangkat mo na ngayon, ha?
Oo.
Thank you, Amber. At bukod kay Amber,